Hello everyone, my name is Rupali Patil. Welcome to ASP.NET training program powered by Guru School. Okay, so first we talk about Guru School. We are the Guru School, delivered the quality. Guru School is the IT consulting firm. We provide you free training, including IT training certification and vendor interview support. After your selection, we provide you project support also. Pillars of Guru School offering instructor LED training, also provide certificate, help you to create, prepare resume. After that, help you to interview preparation, and at the end, we provide you project support. In this training session, we are going to start a very new and important concept, that is Microsoft ASP.NET, designed by Guru School. Today, we are going to talk about ASP.NET introduction part. This program is specially designed for whom want to join ASP.NET program. In .NET, we know we can go through different kind of application development such as Windows application, mobile application, web application, along with various kind of services. So here in Microsoft ASP.NET, we are going to deal with website development. As ASP.NET is the .NET technology which go through the web development only. So just for the information, ASP.NET is not a framework. ASP.NET is not a language, which is just web development technology. In .NET framework, so before getting started with ASP.NET, make sure you have basic idea of .NET framework along with major language such as C# and VB. As while writing the code of ASP.NET, we will use any of the language. If you are not aware about C#, .NET, VB.NET, then please join Guru School training session. Once you are done, you are good to start with ASP.NET. So let's talk more about ASP.NET here. If I say, as I already said, it is a web development technology provided by Microsoft. So here we can go for dynamic website development. When I say dynamic web application means when you will request what is the website. Like a website is nothing but a collection of web page, or I should say collection of interlinked web pages. That means by the time you are working on a browser, you request for a website, the default or the home page or the index page will be coming by default. If you are not specifying any other page, click on a particular link, you can jump to any other page. So this is interlinked web page. But if it is a non-dynamic pages, that means once a page is on the client browser, we will not be able to change the data, or we will not be able to make a communication back to the web server. So if the page is not able to do, that is normal web page, means the HTML page in which you can only read the content but you cannot perform any operation like sending mail or doing any updates like you are doing nowadays in a Facebook or any other website. So here we will working with a dynamic website, and for writing the code we will use the language such as a C# and VB.NET. So any of the language can be chosen in this training session. I said we will working with the C# .NET. Now whenever, as I said in the example of client will be requesting for a particular web page on the browser, so whenever this communication or any such a communication will take place between the client browser and the web server, there will be protocol which will be HTTP stand for hypertext transfer protocol. That means whenever a client will make a request, server will send the hypertext, means the HTML, which is used to create that particular web page, will be sent to the client machine. Okay, so here it will be working on HTTP, and obviously if you want you can purchase some SSL, that is secure socket layer certificate, in order to work with me HTTP protocol. Okay, now provide control. Actually There are several purpose, means when you want to design a web page you can get the control, like text box, labels, buttons, checkbox, and so many others. Once you have designed a page, if you want to make the validation, you can get the validation control. If you want to jump from one place to another place, you will get the navigation control. Similarly, if you want to implement Ajax, you will get the Ajax control. So here in ASP.NET we have a vast list of control for the specific purpose. So let's start with state management. As I said, whenever a client's communication take place through HTTP, the multiple round trip of a page may occur. Means I got a page, I click on a button for some specific action. That action need to be done, but during this process, sometime we lost data. So for this state management, because of this, we will not suffer that loss of data as by default. So ASP.NET offer you some state management technique. Definitely, we as a developer can implement state management as well, but few basic things will be provided by default. And in the coming session or in the training session, we will see them, and we will also teach you how to perform the state management for website. Now apart from that, let's cover some more topic. So let's start with feature of ASP.NET that we may use in the website development, that is web page design. So here in ASP.NET, when you will working with any particular tool like Visual Studio, we will get a few things like table or maybe color font, different font style will be there. You can design a web page. Once you have designed, you want to make your website functional, right? So for that you will be provided separate C# page or VB page where you can write the code for specific page, or you can also create the libraries to associate with your website. Once you are done with such a things for testing thing, you will be also get the things like NUnit, or where you can go for testing and the debugging. And once the complete development is done, you may deploy your website in a web server such as a IIS, which will be doing at our training session. Okay, so these are all the features which is provided by ASP.NET. So in our training session we will start them one by one. So here I am waiting for you to join this free training course provided by Guru School. Thank you so much.